subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Display. So let's take a look. And when we were doing promotion on Weibo, we put up a picture. It looks like this. Do you know what it feels like to light it up? Okay. Here's what it looks like from the front. And now, once again, let's light it up. Do you want to look at it from the behind? A lot of the internet users have tapped into their ingenuity and come up with some very interesting renderings, and here it is what it looks like in reality. I'm sure none of you have
Explore a future without limits. Mi MIX Alpha. Surround display 5G concept.